In this video, I'll show you how to create a professional-looking logo using Design AI, quickly and easily, even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. First, go to the Design AI website. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up using your Google account or Gmail. Since I already have an account, I'll go ahead and log in. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you'll see lots of template categories like art, cards and invites, ebook covers, logos, and more. But in this video, we're focusing on logos, so I'll click on that section. Now, you'll see a variety of logo templates. Pick one that suits your brand or style. I'm choosing the Cake Designer template. I really like how it looks. Once you click on a template, you can start customizing it. You can change the style, for example, try line art, 3D, digital art, or even a dark version. Here's how it looks in line art and in 3D. Choose whatever style you like best. For me, the original template already looks great, so I'm going to stick with it. Next, you can customize the text and colors. Here, I'm changing the name to Sweet Treats, and I'm using a purple, white, and brown color theme. Once you've entered your changes, click on Generate. Generating a logo costs 10 coins. When you create a new account, Design AI gives you 40 free coins so you can try it out without paying anything. If you want more features or downloads, you can upgrade. There's a 7-day free trial, and the full plan starts at around $228 per year. Once your logo is ready, you can download it and start using it for your brand. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.